weather is super good today. I wanted to do a live streaming, but somehow the Wi-Fi is not cooperating. So I just decided anyway to record it and post on YouTube. I hope you'll enjoy this view as much as I do. If only I can zoom this closer. I love how the trees changes in color at this autumn period. I can zoom it actually. It's just beautiful. It's breathtaking. I mean, I've been here for 7 months, 8 months now, but every day I am still in awe of the view from the back of our house. And it's just beautiful, I think. Right now it's really cold in Switzerland, so we've been using the heater inside the house. Well, lately the cases of COVID in Switzerland is rising, so we don't really go as much as we did before. But whenever we are out, I am trying to capture whatever I can so I can share it, especially to my family and friends in the Philippines. Hello. Yeah, so for now, let's just be, or I'll just be contented with the view that I'm having here at home. The sky is just so blue. Normally, the past few days, it's been very gloomy and very cold. At 5 p.m. it's already super dark, unlike when I arrived here last March until I think August. At 9:30 p.m. it's still super bright, but right now you really feel that winter is coming soon. To my Ilonggo friends and family, congratulations to our representative. I don't know if it's our representative because I don't live in the city. Taga-probinsya kami. Anyway, it's the whole Iloilo community is celebrating. Oh, that factory there is actually like a milk factory. They have a lot of cows, and then most of the time the milk trucks are coming to get the milk. I think it's almost every day, or it's really every day. And if you notice that one, and ayun, that's actually that's a grass. They collected it during summer or early October, and now it's all wrapped so that when winter comes and the cows cannot go out anymore, they can have that. They can eat that. If you have any questions about Switzerland, I'm so happy to answer. Currently, I'm still learning a lot of things about this country. It's just beautiful, but I also miss Asia. We miss Asia a lot, especially Singapore and Philippines. Anyway, that's all for now. Thank you so much for joining me or for watching this video. Hopefully next time I could do a live streaming so I could show you the views around here, and I'll be very happy to share it all with you. Ciao, see you next time.